Okay, today I'm making a tutorial for Lucky For You by Novo Amor and Gia Margaret. This is the song right here. You know it if you clicked on this video, you know it. And the way it's played, it's pretty simple. It's just okay. I'll just show you. So this is a demo on what you'll be learning, and you can learn just from this demo. Just slow it down and watch the notes, but I'll explain it as well. Okay, so here it is. I'll turn it up a bit. And then you start lucky for you. Yeah. This is pretty much all there is to it. It's a loop of about 3 chords, maybe. This, and okay, I'll just show you. So the first one starts with, this is the middle C on my keyboard. You go down 1 octave to the C below, and then you go B, A, and this is G. You go from this G up to an A sharp or B flat, then up to an F. That's all there is to it. So it's G, A sharp, F. This is the first part. Okay, then the second part comes. You go down a step, and this is F. You start with F, then go up to A, then back to F, but an octave above, and then back to A sharp. So instead of going back to A, you go to A sharp. So you go okay, let's do both together. So it should sound like this. Then you do this again. The one at the beginning. And then after you finish this, you go back to the F above, then go to G 2 times. So the last part should be this. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so together again, it sounds like this. Now, if you're like me, you want to sing along to this. So, and this might be a little difficult for you to play while singing, unless you're better than me. Well, I definitely can't do this and sing at the same time. You could break down the song into chords, and I'll show you what I did. Well, I just followed an app on the phone that does this for you, that transforms songs into chords. It's called Codify. Yeah, so you can play like this. That's all the chords. So it should go like this. Lucky for you, I'm nothing without the thought of waking up again. You get it. Yeah, so that was it. I'll break down the chords as well. Why not? The first chord is G minor. This is a G major and this is a G minor. It's a G minor, and then the next one is an F major, but you bring the down step up here. It's an F major. And then the third one is, it's a B flat major. And because I remember that was written on the app. So this is it. And then you have, after this, you have this, which is C sharp major or E flat major, an E flat. So together it goes like this. All right, that was it with this tutorial. I'm gonna cut it down so you won't have to. I'm gonna cut this bit as well. Yeah, see you next time I find an obscure song that doesn't have a tutorial. Bye bye.